What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a hair video for you guys. One of the most asked question I get is that your real hair? Girl, it never is. So today I'm gonna share my secret with you guys how I get natural looking hair with the lengths that I naturally don't have. So if you guys are interested how I get this length here, then keep watching. So as you guys can tell with the title of this video, I use clipping extensions and I make my own because the pre-made ones are too expensive. I'm going to show you guys how I make my own clipping hair extensions. So yeah, so all you need is wig clips, thread, and your bundles. So the hair, my tip to you guys is to use a hair that is close to your natural hair texture. That's it would give a more natural look, and also a hair that is closer to your natural hair color as well.
So guys, this is what the wig clip looks like. So after you measure the hair, you're gonna put the clip on the weft with the comb part facing you. The clips have two holes at the top, so you're gonna sew those holes to the weft. So this is what my natural, well not natural because I relaxed it, but this is what my real hair looks like. So basically you're gonna section off the hair and pin the clip-ins to the as close to the scalp as possible. So it doesn't have to be perfect, so most times I use my finger to part my hair. So remember I mentioned that I part my hair and measure the weft and cut it to the parting. So this is where you have to remember which weft goes where. So I use the smaller ones first, and then going up to the middle of my hair I use the larger ones, and then at the top of my head, depending on how I'm gonna part the hair, I use the small ones if I'm doing like a side part or a middle part. So after I just brush the hairs, usually at this point I would flat iron my hair to blend my hair with the clip-ins, but I actually flat ironed the clip-in and my hair before I did this tutorial, so it wasn't needed.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment and let me know if you want me to do some hairstyles with the clipping hair. If you want me to do that, I'll be more than happy to make that video for you guys. And if you guys want to keep track of the projects that I'm working on, then you can go ahead and follow me on my social media platform. So it's Ulala Nikki all across the board. So I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I have Twitter, but I don't really use it. So yeah.